Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be drawing Yoda. So if you like Yoda, you like Star Wars, you know what to do. Hit that like button so I know.
Yoda?
Yep, Yoda, Joby, Yoda. And if you guys are excited for the new movie coming out, Star Wars Episode 9, man, let me know too, because I'm super excited. If you guys haven't seen the trailer, gotta check it out, especially that last couple seconds. What do you guys think is happening in that part? But anyways, here it is. Yoda, starting off with the structured lines, and then I'll go in, kind of sketch in where I want his eyes to be, where his nose to be, all that. And then, yeah, take a look, take a watch, impress some friends. Go ahead and draw Yoda as well in anticipation for the Star Wars movie to come out. And if you're new here, please subscribe so you can see more drawings that are to come, all right? And, of course, always drop down some requests down in the comments so I know what to draw, all right? And right here, I'm gonna write a little quote, super awesome quote, and I even have a painting of this from one of my students, Jimmy. Shout out to you. Do or do not There is no try. Wise words of Yoda. So let me try to do it in his voice. Ready?
Do or do not. There is no try. Luke.
All right. So I don't know if that was a massive fail. If it is, hey, like it anyways. Don't forget to hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. I have awesome videos coming out. So enjoy. All right.